Hey everyone, again it's Landile here, the leader and the instructor of Manikwe School, and right now I am about to do exercise 7, and in case you're watching this for the first time, this is the textbook we're using. It's out there, you can find it yourself, and I'll try to make sure that I do leave a link so that people can have their own PDF copy. Okay, again, just so you know, it's not like I'm getting any commission from showing people that website. Nope. That's why I prefer people to find these this exercise here, this textbook here themselves. Okay, anyways, you can pause the video and read the question. We're doing exercise 7. Essentially, we're converting kilograms to pounds. So here's the deal. I'll just go kilograms. Again, this isn't the best variable name. And wait. Okay, and I'll have another one called pounds. Again, if you compare this solution here with my previous one, what I did previously is I did not have a second variable to hold the converted value from kilograms to pounds. Okay, and the reason for that was we only used that converted value only once. However, in this case, we want to have a reference to the converted variable. So what I will have to do is to keep it in a variable. I seem to have hard time coding and talking at the same time. Okay, so here's the deal. This is what differentiates this solution here from the other two. So I'll go print. Data. So here's the deal. I'll use the round method. Okay, I'll simply go round. There's a round method that is responsible for rounding off a given number, and that number in our case will be weights in pounds. And then how many numbers do we want after a decimal point? That is exactly what we've got to specify here. Let's just go for 2. Okay, once I'm done doing that, I'll then go there are pounds in kilograms. Yeah, that should be it, you guys. I wanna save this and I wanna go see that. I wanna save that as that. Okay, let's try something. You see, just like before, this works. Now I wanna try a case that will give us a bunch of numbers after a decimal point. Turns out it doesn't. You see, it gives us only one number after a decimal point, and the reason, not a bunch of numbers, and the reason for that, the reason why we get only one is because you see Python don't see the point of including a second 0 here. Let's try something else. That way perhaps you will understand. Let's try something like 23. Oops. 12.4. You see, now we do get 2 numbers after a decimal point. Okay, that should be it, you guys. Again, my solutions aren't the best solutions, you guys. You don't want to compare my thing with yours. The reason why you're watching this, I'm assuming that you wanna wrap your head around Python, different concepts. You wanna know how do they come together. End of stories. That's gonna be it, you guys. I'm gone.